Welcome everybody, Jim here, Grassroots Drumming. Guess what? Today's lesson is lesson 2 from the first groove, and today it is the hi-hat meets the 8th note. Very popular grooves. Everyone goes through this rite of passage to get these basic grooves down. But before we do, I want to play a little bit in review from lesson 1 because that's how I jive as a teacher. You need to improve in a stepwise motion. So lesson 1 was like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third bar, let's say. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you can check that video out if that's
kind of like, that's way too hard. What's he doing?
Check that video out for a little bit so you can understand the explanation. All right, we are in 4/4 time, and we count 8th notes as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I did some research. I saw a lot of things on YouTube on how to play these grooves, and people are using fruit names or animal names, you know, whatever works. I like fruit, but I'm just gonna go back to basic counting. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and the bass drum's on 1, the bass drum's on 3, and the snare's on 2 and 4. When we put it all together though, if you're new at this, your brain will go, So I am going to go ahead and just demonstrate it beat by beat. 1 and. Just practice that. If you're brand new, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. It's okay. 1 and. Now practice 2 and. 2 and. 2 and then 10,000 hours later, just kidding, put them together. 1 and. 2 and. All right, and then keep it going. Let's say you're 53 like me, and this is a whole different world for you. Then you can slow it down even further. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, 2 weeks go by.
Faster.
1 and 3. Yeah, it's easy. 3 and 4 and. What I'm going to do now is do that 3-measure groove followed by the drum fill. In this case, we're going to do the drum fill in 8th notes, but stick around because then we're going to add in also what we did in the past, do some 8th notes and quarter notes. The first fill I'm going to do is I call it the John Bottom Light fill because it's not the beefy John Bottom yet. We're going to, do we know who John Bottom is? I hope so. We're going to go 1 and 2 and. So we have 8th notes there. Snare, high tom, floor tom, bass. Okay? 1 and 2 and. I'm on camera, so I'm being deliberate. All right? So let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2. Here we go. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, double kick there. That's going to be a challenge for beginners. So what we do with any instrument, we slow it down. But let's look at that fill. Snare, tom, floor tom, bass, bass. So we are going to go slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2. Hit that like button. I glitched. That's all right. 3, 4. Here we go. Snare, tom, and boom, boom. All right. Another pattern to get comfortable playing around the drum set is we're going to do snare, snare, tom, tom, right? And then snare, snare, floor tom, floor tom. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's a little tricky because after we do 4 and we got to get back over here. So either students kind of rush and they play sloppy and loud like this. Because we panic, we're shifting, we're going all over the place on the drums. That's why drummers always stay busy and we get in trouble a lot. Just kidding, kind of. All right, so what I'm going to do is the 8th notes, and I'm going to, from here, 1, 2, 3, here, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, there we go, check it out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now we can add some flavor if you got a ride cymbal. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 3, 2, 3. Do it backwards. And 1, 2. So you can make up your own patterns. Just make sure that that inner clock, the eighth note, is really important. And when you mess up, you catch yourself, that's okay. Go back and try it. So I think I'm going to come up with a lesson on very basic fills, on a lot of patterns that we can use, because a lot of us are analytical thinkers and we want strict direction, which is totally cool. I kind of envy those people because I'm the opposite. I'm a bit of a mad scientist, but it's really awesome to teach because I learn how every personality works and how all of us are different learners. All right, so before you go, I'm going to just encourage you to hit that like button, and I'm going to play a little faster, and I'm going to mix up the fill. Either I'm going to use the eighth notes, which we count as 1, 2, and 3, and or I'm going to use the quarter notes, which is just the beat. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And 2, 3. One, sorry. We're fine. All right, take care. Happy practicing.